So we're going to stick on the floor now. Got to be really careful about how we do this. What I'm going to do is put some glue on everything apart from this piece here. So I'm putting some glue on. I've got my wood glue, which has got this brilliant sort of spatula element, but it does make the wood on wood a little bit slippy sometimes. Lid on. This needs to be lined up really, really carefully. Really carefully. And we're going to stick on everything apart from the pieces that sit on here. So I'm going to stick this on and this on. Can you see it moving already? There we go. You will notice that actually the pieces go on quite quickly. Here we go. And remember, we're avoiding this section here. Here we go. And we're going to stick this on there like that. This and that like that. Here we go. This is probably the hardest one today. And then you need to make sure that you've lined everything up. There we go. So I'm lining everything up so that it will fit in the model. So I'm pushing out to the side. It doesn't matter so much about the glue coming over the top, because that keeps it all nice and secure. What you don't want to do is glue these pieces. Okay, they are going to wait until everything else is dry. So we're just going to leave everything else to dry. And then what we're able to do is glue these pieces, which are the full space. And I'll show you how to do that in the next part of this video.